Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Currencycloud B2B Payments. Review my usage experience. Currencycloud B2B Payments. Review my usage experience offers a B2B payment solution designed to streamline international transactions for businesses. It aims to simplify cross-border payments by offering multi-currency capabilities and potentially other features like API integration for automated payments. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. The service targets businesses that frequently handle international payments and want a more efficient and transparent solution than traditional banking methods. Their website highlights features designed for speed and transparency. They emphasize competitive pricing, claiming to avoid hidden fees, although specific details are found on their site. They utilize a robust technology infrastructure to ensure secure and reliable transactions. Availability is global, though specific regions are best confirmed on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Currencycloud B2B Payments. Review my usage experience. Setting up an account was straightforward. I completed the onboarding process in under an hour. The interface is initially a little daunting, with numerous options and settings, but I quickly got the hang of it. I particularly appreciated the detailed transaction history and the ability to download reports in various formats. This was crucial for my accounting needs. I processed several payments to international suppliers, and the transfers were remarkably fast, most cleared within a day, which was significantly faster than my previous banking solution. I had a quick question about a specific currency conversion rate, and their support responded within a day via email, a prompt and helpful response. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard became once I understood the navigation. The standout feature for me was definitely the real-time exchange rate updates, allowing me to budget more effectively. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Managing payments solely on desktop was occasionally inconvenient. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Currencycloud's service. It significantly improved the efficiency of my international payments, and the cost savings are noticeable. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs, and I would recommend it to businesses facing similar challenges. That's my overview of Currencycloud B2B Payments. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.